Okay, doing a quick demo of what to do with the tape. So you have a piece of tape, put a tab on it, and push that right onto the table. Okay, take another piece of tape about the same length, make a little tab on that thing, so I can pull the thing back up, push that on the table. So one of the first things you're supposed to do is observe what happens when you pull this off the table, and what happens is things come near it. Or I could even use this piece of tape thing over here. What happens when you get things kind of close? You don't notice much with that one, but my finger, you may notice with even the computer, it tends to attract even to the stand over there. Got a calculator over here, tends to attract to the calculator. Okay. Not only that, when I pull the other one up, it tracks to me. That shouldn't be a surprise. But you should notice, what are the pieces of tape doing to each other? Okay. Furthermore, what would happen if I put one piece of tape down, put the other piece right on top of it, and then pull the two up together, and then what happens? Okay, so how do you explain that business? And finally, the last thing, you're going to do a B for bottom. Put this one on top. Go T for top. I'm going to do one more set. I'm going to do a B for bottom. And I'll do one more on the top of that. My tape's a little bit shorter than what they recommend. It still works fine. I'm just being very conservative. Okay, and rip these up. Okay, you may notice together what they do to each other. They kind of looks like they're doing a little repulsion there. It's hard to see. There we go. A little repulsion. But the question is, what happens now when I hang these on the table? I figure out how to get these apart. So I'm pulling the T and the B apart. I'm going to stick that on my table. So it just barely sticks there for a moment. Oops. And I put my bottom, stick that on the table. And then I'm going to take my other T and the B, pull those apart, stick that on the table for future use, and then my B trying to stick to me. Hey, what happens when you put the two T's together? The two T's together? What happens when you put the two B's together? They like me, but oh, look at that. Try the other side. So they are in fact repelling each other. What happens when you do a T and a B, huh? Oh, isn't that marvelous? Okay, so that's what this sheet was all about.